Hi, I'm Paul. I'm a computer science student at one of Polish universities. What's fun is the fact that I got accepted into a Google software engineering internship program. That's really awesome, I would say. And I'm really happy about that, and I'm really grateful for it because I worked for this for 2.5 years. There's a moment when you're like at university, probably like first month, when you really realize that the dream of having your own company at age 22 and being a millionaire, having a Porsche and villa and like hot wife or like girlfriend, this won't work. This just won't work, and you'll get more grounded in reality. And when that happened to me, I thought to myself, well, at least I will get a good paying job, right? I'll get a good paying job. If I'm going to work for like 40 years of my life, hopefully I'll probably work for 40 years of my life. Let's be realistic. I might as well get a really good paying job, because what is a job for anyway? I mean, earning money, right? And so yeah, I'll optimize, and I decided like 2.5 years ago, I will get into Google as soon as possible, and I finally am really close to succeeding, because it's an internship. I will work hard to get a return offer, but I'm close. That's what I'm saying. I'm close into working at Google full time. And now I kind of think to myself, well, Google exceeded my expectations with the salary, the benefits, and the kind of project I'll be working on while interning. I mean, I was expecting minimum impact project for minimum wage, and Polish minimum wage is not enough to live by your own in Warsaw, the capital, where the job is at. So I would have to commute every day by train from Łódź. But what is bothering me is the fact that where's the catch in all that, right? I mean, I'm prepared to work long hours because I'm 22. I don't have that much responsibilities in my life, so I'm okay with working long hours, right? Because like, what else is there to do? I'm 22. I'm supposed to be doing that, actually, to be working hard. So I can accept that, and I will accept that. But like, I still feel that there is some catch in it, and I'm just worried that I'm not seeing something. Yeah, I gotta go to do my lessons, mobile games right now, really exciting stuff. So yeah, and to the next one, goodbye. Hello people, it's me Paul, and I finished my internship at Google, and this is my grand production in the train going back to my home city. That's pretty cool, I think. So the internship was extremely exciting in my opinion. It was like really cool. I met a lot of really smart people who were smarter than me, and that I could learn something from. And yeah, that is, I think, the best part about it. Actually, the people I met. Now, if you are a CS student, or actually a math major or anything, you probably should try it out if you want to, because like, you learn a lot, and you get to work on some really great stuff here. I can't really say like what are the internal projects. Mine was open source. I was working on Google Chrome, but yeah, I mean, it's really crazy, I think. What I was worried about before the internship was whether there's some kind of a catch, because the offer is like so absurdly good that it's kind of natural to look for like, well, where's the catch, where's the catch, where's the catch. And I must say, after 3 months working there, I still don't know where's the catch. And is it even there? I mean, I presume it's kind of like a golden handcuff type of situation, because to be very honest, I don't think there's a better offer for a software engineer my age in my country. And that kind of gives you the perspective that you either go work for them, or you have a worse offer, and nobody wants to have a worse offer than your previous job. I mean, you take a worse offer when your previous job was like super horrible and you just must get out, but you don't really take a worse offer if your previous job was like this great. Like you want an offer as good as or better, right? So yeah, but also this internship gave me kind of more courage. I met some people that were, as I said, really smart, and for the first time in my entire life, me, a person who always kind of neglected university, neglected, yeah, I also hated university, let's be honest here, started thinking about getting a PhD at like some reputable university, which is insane. I never thought about that, and some time ago I was like, wait, maybe I should get a PhD. So I guess it changes you. Next. So yeah, that's something. I started thinking about getting a PhD. And also, I think this internship kind of put a really good measure to how the university is totally super easy in comparison to actual job that you're supposed to do. I mean, nothing I have done at university compares in like even to a fraction of what I've done at Google, I think, in terms of like complexity and like actual brain effort I had to put. Like, it was a really long time that I had spending not using my brain to the fullest of my potential, and I feel like here at Google I didn't use my fullest potential, but it certainly was kind of stretched. It was an awesome experience. Now, my last point is to the people that want to get into Google for an internship and are scared that they are not from the school that is prestigious enough to get there. I don't think they care about this. I grinded LeetCode for like 3 weeks. I've done like 200 or maybe like 150 problems. And I passed the interviews like that. And I've never done LeetCode before. I've never done like competitive programming, like Olympiads. I never done that bullshit. Okay, to be honest, I fucking hate it. And I got there, I would say, with ease. It wasn't difficult to get there. So yeah, just have faith in yourself, man, because I had no faith in myself and I was like, oh, I can't get there. My mother told me, bro, you can do this, just apply there, man. And I was like, oh, obviously I would have to do like LeetCode. And when I got like the first like reply that, oh, we actually want to talk to you, I was like, oh my god, I need to start LeetCoding. And I found out that LeetCode isn't that hard. I mean, it's not like super hard. This is like all patterns and basically like you have like 10 algorithms that you kind of like juggle around. I said it's like 3 weeks of training and you are there. So if you hesitate, don't, just apply. And if you are passionate about IT, you will get it.